When PEC got into contact with me and we were at the very beginning stages of what this looked like, I was meeting with one of my mentors that works with the company, and I just kind of casually mentioned like, oh yeah, I'm working on this lighting thing. And he was the one that was like, man, we could really spread this across the region. And so that's when we started kicking the tires on like, how big can we make this, and can we just use PEC to like run with it? My name is Matthew Jansen. I'm the Operations Efficiency Manager for the West Region, and I work for Nutrien Ag Solutions. Nutrien is a global-wide ag retail store. There's a lot of new things that we're able to bring to ag.
We are a retail branch. We sell directly to the farmer. So we have a lot of packaging material in our warehouses, which is primarily like where the lights went up. And we have a couple guys that come in early in the morning, so it's still dark outside. And the lights, it definitely does help with them being able to be in the yard and do their job.
When you're out in the warehouses, there's people working out there early in the morning when it's dark out. And so having good lighting out there is very critical for these guys to work safely and operate the way they need to.
To be able to see everything,
yeah.
I think it'll be a little better.
Yeah.
Just a little.
What they're really pushing on is safety.
It's easy to miss something that's on the floor if there's not good lighting.
Just as far as selfishly, like, how was it working with PEC?
Honestly, working with PEC has been quite easy. They communicated very well with all of our retail sites.
They didn't just come in and throw everything up and then leave, you know? Like, they were asking questions, and I thought that that was good, that they were aware that we have specific needs.
I think the biggest thing when PEC reached out was, one, it sounded somewhat free as far as on-bill funding. You know, it's no extra cost, and at the retail sites, we're always looking at expenses. And so getting capital for lights is pretty hard to do. Being able to share like, okay, look, we're gonna have the same bill, but we're gonna get all this new lighting. It's gonna be brighter, it's gonna be safer. It was kind of like a no-brainer. PEC was able to provide just a breakdown of what it was gonna cost us, how that was gonna look, and then how the bill was gonna look at PG&E. That's kind of the goal of it, right? Is if we can save on these things, then we're freeing up capital. Same thing with efficiencies. If we're going out and buying new equipment every year, you can't continue to do that. But if you're using your equipment more efficiently, and then you grow your business, then you can start buying that equipment back, or just use that more efficiently, and you're saving money in the long run anyway.